Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix iOS 26 battery drain. First, you can simply go ahead and look into the quick fixes, which is going to be updating all apps and rebooting your iPhone. Then head into your settings, head into battery and turn on low power mode for significant savings. You can also simply go ahead and turn on adaptive power mode by going into settings and battery. Which is only available for iPhone 15 Pro or later. Then you can also head into settings deep dive. So what you can do is check usage to find drainers, uninstall or reinstall problematic apps. Also turn off non-essential apps, limit access for apps, and then disable system services like product improvement and stuff like that. Also enable auto brightness because that is going to go ahead and help you out. You could also limit background learning for non-essential apps like Siri. So I hope this video clarifies a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.